Welcome guys. Now here in the font section you will see all of the option is disabled currently. Now this is because we have no text here in our text box. If I just click on our text box, you will see all of the option renewable again. Okay. Now if I write my text here, for example, I will write PowerPoint for beginners. Okay. Now the first option here you will see is font. Now if I want to change the font of this text, what I will do, first of all I will select this text and I will click on this icon. Okay, here you will find all the fonts available in the PowerPoint. You can see Arial Narrow, Algerian, Arial Black, Agency F8. Okay, we have lots of font option here. Okay, now if I click on any of this font, for example, if I just click on Arial Narrow, my font will change into Arial Narrow one. Okay, now we can change the font of any text. For example, you can change the subtitle font, you can change the font of your content or any text available in your presentation. Okay, other thing here you can do, you can increase or decrease the size of your text. For example, I can just select 96. Okay, it's too huge, so I will decrease this to 60. Okay, other thing here you can do is you can increase the font size. For example, if I just click on this big A, it will increase the font size about 8%. Okay, and if I just click on the small a, it will decrease it by 8%. Okay, you can see every time I click it will decrease. Okay, other thing here you can do is you can bold, change the font to bold. For example, if I just click on this bold, you can see all of my text change to bold. I can just make this italic. Okay, I will just remove this bold. Other thing here you can do is text shadow. You can add shadow to your text like this. Sometimes this shadow look very cool and sometimes I don't think it is very necessary thing. So next thing here you can do is you can strike through your text. If I just click on the strike through, here you can see it will add a black line or strike through my text. Okay, other thing you can increase the spacing between your text. For example, if I can just click on more space, you can see the spacing between two character increase. Okay, other thing I will just click on very loose. Okay, you can see the spacing between two character increase. And if I just click on very tight, you can see the space is too less between two character. Now in most cases I recommend leave it as normal. Okay, other thing here you can do is to change the cases. For example, if I just click here, I can just change the sentence case. For example, I can just decrease to all lowercase. Okay, you can see all of these are in lowercase now, and if I just click on uppercase, all of the character is in uppercase. I can just capitalize each word. For example, if I just click on capitalize each word, every word first letter will capital. Okay, other thing I can just toggle case. Now what this toggle case is, it will change the capital to lower and lower to capital. Okay, I will just select capitalize each word. Other thing here you can change the text color. If I just click here, okay, we have bunch of colors, we can choose any color. We also have more colors and eyedropper tool. If I just click on more colors, we can just create our color here. Okay, we can also select the eyedropper tool to add color which we like. And if I just click on this clear all formatting, it will remove all the design and stuff which we have applied onto our text like this. Okay, you can see our font changed to normal one. Now this is not bold, not italic, all this changed to default one. Okay.